Yo people, what is up and welcome to my new review. In this review, we will test how to get the latest working Delta Executor for your Roblox absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. So for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have. Navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily. And then let's click on Delta Executor, so it should load up like this. And then guys, we will have to enter our Roblox user ID or our username. So guys, I will enter my username. And don't worry, because it's the only thing that we will actually enter here. So just click connect account when you enter it, guys, and it will start fetching our Roblox profile. So you should get this confirmation. So if it's your account, just click yes, connect, and that's pretty much it. We're successfully connected. There we go, guys. Now we will have to select import newest Delta Executor, click there, and now we'll have to select our additional scripts to install. I will select currently the maximum. These four, it's not maximum, guys. You can select as many as you want, but I will go with these four scripts: overflow, Photoshop, Nick using Soluna, and just click continue. So it will start connecting to the API. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more and I will review more websites. So look at this, API is connected, our activation key is there as well, nice guys, and our Delta Executor is ready. So now we will have to click I'm not a robot, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot and let's see what we will get. So nice guys, thank you for passing the bot check. Delta Executor is imported to your account. Look at this, guys, now we got our Delta Executor key successfully connected. So let's open our Roblox and let's test, is it actually working. So let's just see, is it actually, I will go with Grow a Garden, for example. I like this game, so I will just click play and let's see, guys, what we will get. And will we actually receive our Delta? So okay, still not. Oh my god, guys, look at this. We're actually receiving our Delta fully activated and latest. Thank you for using Delta. And guys, look at this, we now can use our Delta and we can also use our scripts. They are also imported. I'm so excited. Look at this, overflow, Photoshop, Nick using Soluna, just as we selected, guys. So click on execute, guys, and it will start loading our scripts that we have. Look at this, game detected, Grow a Garden. Guys, you can also click there and search for scripts. If you play Grow a Garden, just type grow, or if you play another game, and look at this, guys, you will have all those amazing scripts. So let me close that, and guys, now we have our script imported and we can do literally whatever we like. I'm so excited because it actually worked after testing a lot of websites. bloxforge.com was the only working one. Let me test this to just make sure. Yeah, it's it, guys. We got everything for free and within 3 minutes. I'm so excited because it actually worked after testing a lot of websites. bloxforge.com was the only working one, guys. I'm going to play my Roblox literally whole day with these amazing features. Guys, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.